Because we would rather focus on John Mahama's second wife than Martin Amedu. Thank you. And also the facts and videos. Man, ambassador the fatomo pa. Fierce chessons, we be pa. Te brofo pa. Te peep. Te French pa. Kahon. Some person money fierce chess ambassador ni biwai. Monso so. Can be mommy why now? Why? Because we would rather focus on John Mahama's second wife than Martin Amedu. Thank you. And also the facts and videos. Man, ambassador the fatomo. One day, baby, I mean, opportunity be I be brown when I make grab it. Hey, man, baby, I mean, be one day, snap products. And I win him Sepenaye, brand ambassador for Susan Channel. Exactly. Yet snap feeling your opportunities no. And to whoever that says you've got audios, I am daring you. I am daring you. I am daring you. What you say? And I mean during the election, no, me, man supported John Mahama. What you say? I didn't want John Mahama to come to power just because of a few people. Man supporting him. And it's not a hidden secret that I campaigned against and said stuffs and did stuffs and I fought him. It's not a secret. Because guess what? Me and me feeding me home. Say me then any watch no pana me say me MPP for every year. Me ko support here don't kwa. Nobody can force me. Mama me san can say me nchemo. As a celebrity, I am a brand ambassador. I can be a brand for anybody and anything that I want to. Do you understand it? What you say? Say, my sending voice note I come obi say onye mema free SHS ambassador. Nenkenwe ya boni on. International ambassador we akwa na sisi am no ka say international e say abroche die na me lobby amomu. Yes. Me man komo wine. When I say I am daring you. This e koma min so obia o. So bi so woman on me voice ombo voice ni nyina. You should play a whole conversation. Because me more than me need them me so no. And I'm make a me wunne I have lived. Do you understand it? Me wunne I have lived. TB Joshua say it's not long life I believe you, but how impactful and meaningful that short life will be. I have lived. I have lived. I have enjoyed life. Na Joanna. Joanna Nikesi won winning plans and campaigning man. Yes. Daddy, I love you. But for babies with sharp teeth and to want my power. No, and to know what I said about wing. Do you honestly think I give a fuck about this? You people? Hell no. Sir, if you dare me, I will. I am daring you. Who are your fufra fabra? Who are your fufra fabra? Yes. I was looking for free SHS ambassadorship for my child in Kayabonion. And Kayabonion. Ayaboni. Sound. Now the one beno, which is sort of friend in San Ghana for my Jimmy. Ghana for being Sebi. My Jimmy. You don't have sense. You don't have sense. If your mothers cannot do stuff for you, I'm doing stuff for my children. And I'm saying it again. Say, when you share baby now. I came out boldly and campaigned against John Dramani Mahama. Do you think I really cared? Do you think I care about you people? A future for my children. It's my toilets. I said what I said. Sir, why am I here? Whatever her name is. No? Don't drag the girl. Now what say we Xposed? We say me person me cause Afia. me say me say me free ha na me ko say wa rented apartment ekoye den na mafafo na frɛ ni adamfo bi asa o brand baby asi dem se ma hu ne ba akopɛ me enti mama me din na why mama me din na if you want to know my source of wealth about 3 asori ni share me wadwuma why na you people sound like a broken record. Me say John Bodo de Marco election emprenu winning. Me say MPP muntie me say John Bodo for a party no na party na atetia pansam na he afoko kwableja party na atete John Bodo be for MPP party no na atete maka enti de owo biem no fabra John Bodo be for party no na atete no for a party atete at the campaign at the winning about twice maka me say me mother I don't care and I'm not I ain't scared of you. No, I have lived medicine we are say medicika medidel I have traveled hey we manumbi and sa papa bi any we are sayamenumbi da hey kote papa bi any we are say amindi bi da mi wu na meko what I say ma woman me secure my future over said the aka the aka say ade chi a mama yebu peroni egutu na ma no peroni krani Ghana to bust your bubbles be a crime no cry me to fra broche never ana minimo bia odanya ne o se me de ma brewi asintime nante akọ mini obia te sa mini obia wo wiase sa me be wiase ma bre enti me de me yenya you free we live here dead. If I die today I'm gone. If I die 70 years from now I'm fucking gone. Dear Minimne said I am living life according to my plans, according to my program, and me according to how I love it. Not how you foolish people say. I have an audio of you. And then audio any person mercy me man free SHS ambassadors. Enka me who opportunity wo no enka me grab it with both hands on. E watch me o. E come musua nyansa o. Aha. Enti na mo come man asem na me say think about your future. Tina. My busy o me video me wi am from. Tina. Na family man na ma uba mreme.
Na nyama na so fit be my say no my address is where you keep it one thing
na me wo meetings bebre o nya
na che na be do no na ma me wi am
academy na hye ya kwa Ghana fo ani breme na me be hye die munim no I am an international lobbyist tieniye I am an international lobbyist and if I can't lobby for my children who am I me lobby my companies. Me lobby Emma companies, lobby my countries. Na me timi nye lobbying ma me madia. Me pacho kiss my black ass. Uwo bibi afabra. I am daring all of you. Audio na mudi abani dem ye me twe. Audio be to asie na be tro say she was begging to go to Sewa I'm here house. Really, I'm leaving my house to a rented place. No man, the me can say John Bodo na mo pese muku na nimu asinti no. Don't drag the young girl there. And don't just say why am madam fool. And don't just say me pen madam fool. The me can ye no kura. So pese obe contested John Bodo for general secretary no. And don't just say wo de akola na nim be ya from. And also just say one me pen madam fool. Nye madam for that. And I mean pen madam fool. Na mafafo na kache obi se me pa chaw kache se wa se me pese me ba ne fie Ghana fo me dina me nsamo munsu nyansa why munsu nyansa na right about now no me lobby ama James Edo for an international deal enti dia audio na mo de na mo da mo na why na me say me so bia I I know where voice notes can go. To me, send a voice note. Meaning they may catch it. Money trust me one by one. Politicians don't think. And whoever is behind that account, you are just a fool. You have been dead. Do your worst. Me. My name is Queen Afia Schwarz. Have a beautiful, blessed day.